Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are located on ZRX BTC or ZRX, right? So last night, crypto took a dive again. I mean, apparently there were again some bad news about some Trump posting something on Twitter that there won't be no more Corona help until after the elections. I'm not sure if that is true or not. I haven't checked it myself. But yes, the DJI and SPX all went down quite a bit, right? The DJI crashed for like $600, $700, right? So momentarily speaking, it pulled crypto with it. So guess we got our answer again that crypto is not a separate market, right? It does follow the other markets as well. But now, as we were trying to speak, again, I'm gonna start focusing a little bit on then BTC contracts if they given us the opportunity like this one, and this one is probably gonna take a while to get hit, but it's still a pretty nice opportunity on a nice level that I think it's gonna work out if it gets hit, obviously, right? But before we go on, guys, I want to implore you to please subscribe to our channel, like our video, punch that notification button, and so that you get our videos on your front page. And we do make videos every day except on Sunday. Now, going back to our coin, the area of reaction is going to be located around down here, right? Now, I'm not still sure how big of a stop loss this is gonna leave us at, but as you can see, when you create a structure like this, and you go back and you retest the levels from which you pumped off, right? I mean, they usually give you a nice reaction, right? And I think we already waited in the past down here if we're gonna touch this level, and it didn't. So maybe right now, maybe this time around, we will actually even get all the way down to this level and see what's gonna happen there. But that would kind of have to have, I mean, this coin would have to get really wrecked for that to happen, right? That would be like 50% drop, and here we got like a 20% drop. So that's why I said on the beginning it might take some time for us to get filled on this one, right? But nonetheless, it's a good opportunity. It usually gives you a good reaction, and that's all what it matters, to be honest. Okay, so the stop loss is about 10%, which is exactly what we're looking for, right? We usually go for the 10% stop losses, so I'm not too mad about that one. I do think that's a great stop loss. Now for the first profit target, and in this case, you may say it's pretty obvious, right? And this time around, I'm going to delete this previous trade that we had, and this time around, as you can see, right, the profit target would be located again in between this, right? It's basically a box, as I'm gonna say, right? It's basically a box where the first profit target is. Now I usually go for the bottom of the box, but you can definitely take the profit from the top of the box, right? Because if you take the bottom of the box, it's gonna be about 2.3R or 24% on move on the entire coin, and top of the box is about 3R and 33% move on the entire coin. So that is, again, both of them are pretty awesome. Of course, the upper one is more awesome, right? We all want better profits, bigger profits, but it doesn't always work like that, and you do risk of getting missed. But you can see this big cap in between here is usually a really good spot where crypto kind of retests itself, right? So definitely some price action can change on the way down, right? Price action can drastically change on the way down because you are missing a large portion of the chart yet. So yes, the price, I mean, should I say, the profit target in the future can change, right? The stop loss is pretty much going to be where it is, but profit targets can change in the future. So if they're gonna change in the future, I'll probably revisit the coin and, change a couple of things, right? Okay, now for the second profit target. For the second one, again, we can again use a box, and in this case I would be aiming for about a middle of this previously made structure. It's a little bit above more the middle. We can maybe fix it just a little bit right here, yeah, just for safety. And this time around, if we put it on the box right here, on the bottom of the box, it's 58% on the entire coin move, or 5.6R. Or on the top of the box, 68% or 6.5R. So again, you can see a little bit different results, but not too much, right? Nothing too scary. So, and this would actually be my last profit target on this coin as well. I would not go for the third one because I do not believe it's just gonna pump without giving us, any opportunities to refill, especially in a chart like this. I do think it's not gonna break all of these levels on the first try. And as you can see, first time around when it did something like this, it didn't break the levels on the first try, right? And even when it broke it really far, it came back down. You got a perfect fill. yeah, retested the same areas, right? So as you can see, the price action that this coin has observed in the past already worked out fine, and you would get your refills. So I don't think there's need for us to keep the money in our pockets to go for a third profit target up here, and you know, kind of risk of this retracing all the way down, and then we'll actually lose that possible profit, right? So I will just say 2 profit targets for now, and rather go for refill. And if refill stops you, you know, you just leave it until it gets somewhere that has been untested, probably down here, right? If not, I mean, okay, then you just miss one trade, but there are a lot of more other opportunities, as you can see, because alts are withdrawing a lot. I mean, the crypto market is still taking a hit. I mean, we've been taking a hit whole September and now October, which is usually always a green month for crypto. I do think October was always green, if I remember correctly. I mean, right now, it's even taking bigger hits as well, right? So we still haven't seen any greens yet. So yes, guys, please do join us at 4C Telegram community, right? If you want to see more about moving stop losses, moving profit takes, or when the price action changes and stuff like that. And again, right, subscribe to our channel, punch the notification button, like the video, right? And we will be seeing each other in the new one.